here, you do have the bunk that comes out, the upper berth. This will fold out to a single sleeper and create a bunk bed situation to sleep your four. This is such a beautiful room and a wonderful spacious cruise accommodation, especially when you're sailing with families. This is what Disney does perfect. They cater to the family and they're going to love the theming of these rooms. Now, there are different themings on different rooms, so the room next door might be something completely different, like Raya and the Dragon. But if we can help you book this stateroom or any other, please reach out to our team of expert Disney cruise agents. We do not charge any planning fees, and you will never pay any more to work with Marvelous Mouse Travels, and we would love to help you book a Disney cruise.